It's a brand new 73 plate BMW X5 hybrid secured with a Halo Mini immobiliser. So the way it works, when they leave the vehicle, we get 2 flashes and the system's active instantly. So if someone got the key, grabbed it off you as soon as you got out of the vehicle and went to drive it away, it's just going to start up but not go into gear. So we're going to be unable to select a gear, foot's on the brake, unable to put it into gear. So what the customer has to do with this vehicle, when they get in it, they'll start it up, go through a unique push sequence. For now, we just have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the full beam, and now it's going to go into gear. Reverse, drive, and they can drive away. As we showed, open the door, get out, 2 flashes, it's active instantly. Not going to go into gear. If this is going for a service, you want to turn the whole system off, and the way you'll do that is put your code in, and on the last press, you'll hold for 15 seconds on your last button, and we're going to get 5 flashes. Once we get that, we can let go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go of the button, turn the car off. That's now in service mode. So when we open the door, we obviously get no flashes because the system's turned off. Start it up, goes into gear. BMW can road test it, move it around their workshop, do what they need to do. When you get it back, same process again. You'll start it up, put your code in, press and hold on your last press, your last button press. Keep it held. This time we're going to get 1 flash. Now we've got that, we can let go of the button, turn the car off, and the system's back on. So you'll see as soon as we open the door, 2 flashes, the system's back on. Start it up, and you're not going to be able to select a gear without that code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Halo Mini on a brand new 73 plate X5. Thanks for watching.